Captain has won the toss and selected to field first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform. Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Good shot for a single. That's a good throw. Straight into his hands. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Pleasing to the eye. This effort by the fielder, mind-blowing. The close-in fielder should be on their toes to ensure that the batsman stays on strike. Turned away for a single. Excellent running between the wickets. Very good running between the wickets. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. Squeeze a single there, good running. Spinner brought into the attack. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single.
इधर से ज्यादा अच्छा है अंदर वाला.
Tight lines and watchfully played. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Very good running between the wickets. Bullseye! What a throw! Flat and fast. Very well played. Just working on the field where the gaps are. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a two if they run well. Pace bowler comes back into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Missing his line there, wide signalled. Captain will be more happy with his bowlers conceding only singles at this stage. Looks like he enjoys space on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball. Good shot for a single. Direct hit. As a batsman, one should never take on his arm. Excellent running between the wickets. No ball called. Batsman all set to cash in on this free hit. Oh, that's picked up and straight into the crowd for a six. No chance for any fielder to cut that off. Turned away for a single. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Very good running between the wickets. Squeeze a single there, good running. It'll be interesting to see what pace he'll bowl at. Head right over the ball as he defends. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Good length, and the batsman meets it with a solid straight bat. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a two if they run well. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Good shot for a single. Well placed into the gap, possible two. Oh, that's very close. Looks very tight. Decision goes to the third umpire. Decision goes to the third umpire. And yes, he gets his man. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Turned away for a single. Good game awareness. He was covering the throw well. Pace bowler into the attack from the other end. Good shot for a single. That's an excellent throw. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Edged and taken. That's very good bowling. Fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. They wanted to hit that ball up and over. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Masterful batting. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Turned away for a single. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Poor ball, but that's a sensational shot. That's going to be four. That ball deserved a boundary. Last ball coming up. Very good running between the wickets. End of the first inning won't be long before... The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Openers walking in and the crowd cheering in anticipation. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a six. That was a brilliant shot. Perfectly executed. Don't think the bowlers have been able to hit the right length consistently. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. But that's going to be four, all right. Sweet timing. Lovely timing, ball hitting the sweet spot. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's four more. That ball deserved a boundary. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Oh, that's lovely timing. The ball racing to the boundary. I know he's a fierce competitor and doesn't shy away from a challenge, but that is just crossing the line, I think. That ball deserved a boundary. He's not going to miss out on those. That's hit hard. That's hit for 6. That's a great shot. I tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Got him, that's a... The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Couldn't time the ball well enough and picks up the fielder. Impressed by the field sets by the captain is making the batsman play false shots. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. That ball deserved a boundary. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Glorious, absolutely glorious. That ball deserved a boundary. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Masterful batting. That ball deserved a boundary. The bowler is looking furious. Is a short ball coming? Well, that is glorious, absolutely glorious, perfect timing. Good stop, saved a certain boundary. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. No ball called. Get ready for the free hit now. Good shot for a single. That looks close. Sensational fielding. That was some brilliance in the field. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win.